The problem today is webinars take too long to convert your ideal clients. In today's session, death of the webinar. So what are the facts? Today, people are more overwhelmed than ever before. There is more and more content out there available. There are so many different social media platforms. People are getting hit with so much content. Asking your potential client to consume more content to potentially work with you is not where it's at. If your business is doing under $1 million a month, then I'd also argue that your webinar won't be quick enough, short enough, and be clear enough to convert your ideal client. A lot of people that I see their webinars today, they're so long, drawn out, using Russell Brunson's webinar script. Love Russell, no hate down on Russell. But the problem is when everyone does the same thing, then it becomes so generic, they've seen it all before. I would strongly recommend never copying someone else's script that hundreds of other thousands of people have seen, because you're better than that. You're more individual. If you can't make yourself more individual than that, you're going to be tarnished with the same brush by other people that have already seen the same thing over and over again. It kills your sales structures. It kills your ability to get more clients in on a monthly basis. If you can't get clients in on a monthly basis, you can't grow your business. So why do you need to convert people quicker? People have an attention span less than a goldfish. And so the quicker you can put one piece of content in front of your ideal client that structures the problem that they have and sets up the sale in a quicker way, the more likely they're going to become a client of yours. The truth is today, most of your ideal clients have already been nurtured by your competition. What you need is a quicker way to leverage your competition and speed up the process. People buy for the quickest way to the solution, not the longest way to the solution. What I noticed with our clients over the years is if we can make it quicker and easier for them to get more clients on, which means that they can increase their prices easier, and then help them to grow a scalable business so that you're increasing your lifetime customer value, which means that clients are renewing, then that's just way more sophisticated, way more advanced, and thus the business owner has more security and also has time to really live their life to do the things they want to do. So what we do with our clients instead is that we set up my clients and automation system. It works in 3 processes. We leverage lead flow so that you can get clients on consistently. We work on one sales process so you can increase your pricing and get more paid clients on month after month, and then increasing the customer lifetime value by increasing the quality of a signature program, one signature program, and increasing renewals. So we take one ad, any socials that they already have, doesn't matter if they don't have any social media audience at all. We take that, drive it into one piece of content, which isn't a webinar, a piece of content that's structured in a very specific way. We help them diagnose what is the exact client problem that they are solving. If a client downloads an exact piece of content that isn't a webinar, they don't have to spend 30 minutes going through it. It's really simple, but it structures their problem in a very specific way. Then what we found is it massively increases the amount of people that want to go to the next step and have a free consultation session. This can be easily scaled up so you can get other people to do the sessions for you, which means that you have scalable sales. And then the delivery is done in one signature program. You don't have to have created already. We help create our clients an amazing program as they have cash flow coming through. If they have a program already, that's great. But we refine that so it gets better, so they increase their lifetime customer value. And we show them specifically how to get renewals from their clients so they don't have to keep on getting more clients all the time. Now, of course, you can scale that, so you can get clients on month after month, increase your pricing, and increase your renewals, your lifetime customer value. One of the best things about this is once our system is set up for our clients, they keep this system for life. So just a heads up, if you want a one-to-one consultation session with one of my team, click the link below and you can get yourself a free consultation on us, where one of my team will take you through exactly how the COA system will work for you and your business so that you can grow your business easily. And number 2, you'll walk away with a grow your coaching business plan specifically designed for you so that you know exactly how to grow your business to the level that you want in the next 30 days. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for daily videos to help you. I'll see you soon.